Okay, so the practicals will perform on the Tinkercad software. Most of the students have joined Tinkercad, and few of you have some problem, may not have sign up to the Tinkercad. That's why it may be the problem. But today, as I'm going to conduct on Teams, so you will be able to see my screen. You will be able to see my screen. So whatever I'm doing on Tinkercad to perform practical, just remember the steps and later on you may do that. So here we will perform very say small example of subtractor, that is V1 minus V2. So I'll share my screen now. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you can see I visited tinkercad.com, wherein I have an account and I logged in with my email ID and password. So separate password may be used, not required email ID password. So you have to register for this. Later on you will be able to use this. Under that I have created one class which is here 3U. Most of the students have joined. You can see this number of students have joined. Somebody of you may have problems, so we'll solve it later on, because you no need to do anything on Tinkercad right now. So I will guide you through it. Then here as I go on so home page, I'll get several options here. Under my account there is 3D design. 3D design is not for say we people, say it may be utilized for say mechanical, like we may create some objects, 3D objects here. Then we have circuits, so we may have one circuit here today. Then codebook is for say those who are using programming hardware into this Tinkercad like Arduino. And join class, as I have sent one code to you, you may have clicked on join class, and whatever is the code you pasted here and go to my class. This was the step, so few of you have already joined. Create project, अगर कोई project create करे तो यहाँ पे भी हम ultimately we say create circuit under this project. So project will have certain name, so we'll have a circuit here, and I'll say create new one. Okay, just I'll go through the subtractor circuit. So just for say we'll go into the flashback so that we'll be able to understand what is subtractor. So we'll see subtractor here in my PPTs. So this is the simple subtractor circuit. You can see here, just recap of that. V1 is the source which is connected to in non-inverting terminal. V2 is the source connected to inverting terminal. And as we are using all resistances equal, R1, R2, R3 and R4. These R1, R2, R3 and R4, all are equal, then the output will be V1 minus V2, just simply subtractor. So this circuit we will design into the Tinkercad, and we'll use IC741 op amp. We'll use 9 volt plus minus power supply here, and we may use any source, say 3 volt, 2 volt, and we'll check whether the subtraction is performed or not. So we'll perform this circuit here, and we'll use 1 kilo ohm value of all the resistances, because all the resistances are to be equal. So as I clicked on create circuit, I'll repeat it again on this say home page of Tinkercad. Then I have 3D design, circuit, codebook, lesson. So I'll go to the circuit and I'll create new one. So I clicked on create new. It may be appeared later on your screen. So these are the basic component you can see here. Register is there, LED is there, switches are there, potentiometer, capacitor, slide switch, then battery, breadboard. So we need a breadboard. We'll use a breadboard here. So we'll just pick the breadboard and you can put it here. So you may name this breadboard. So breadboard को name देना है, say I will write BB1. If you are using multiple breadboard to connect them together, several multiple circuits are there on suppose breadboard and you are connecting them together. So you may assign name to the breadboard. That's why I'm say assigning here. We are using only one. Then what we need 4 resistances of 1k. So I'll use one by one. I'll take one of 1 kilo ohm value. You can see here it can be changed 1 ohm, kilo ohm, mega ohm. You may add 100 kilo ohm likewise. So I'm using 1 kilo ohm resistance and say this is say R1. So name is given R1. I'll use another resistance. This will be say R2, and it is again of 1k. I'll use another resistance, say R3, again of the same value, R3 of same value. Then another resistance of 1k, say R4. This is how you can label, and from this resistance and kilo ohm range drop down arrow, you may change the range, but we need here all the resistances equal. Then what we need battery. So you can see here the battery is there, that is 9 volt. I took this battery here, and you may rotate this battery. Here battery ko name आया है, name 2. So you may write, say I'll say say V plus, I give name. So here is the battery. If you click on battery, if you wanted to rotate, just simply press R from your keyboard. So if I press R, it is rotating clockwise. You can see this much rotation is possible. And if I'm using shift R, it is rotating anti-clockwise. So I'll connect it. I'll put this in this fashion here. First of all, on the breadboard, you can see here these lines are positive. I highlighted that, and these lines are shown negative. Here also these lines are positive, bottom lines, which are horizontally short circuit, and above that horizontally short circuit negative. Preferably use the same notation. So this is positive. I'll simply click one single click on this terminal, and I'll come back here and like this. So you can see the battery positive terminal is connected here to the positive, say of the breadboard. So whenever we need positive supply, we can use these values. Okay, you can change the color of this line. Suppose I click this, and if I click this, you can see after clicking there is a pop-up box here wherein I may choose color and say it is a positive, so I will say it is a red. So I have used red color. Then negative can be used, and I'll connect it here. So negative is connected. So negative is connected. We may assign either green. So what I will do, I'll use it black. Okay. So red is positive, black is negative. If you want additional supplies, what you can do, you can use this one like this. So you can see positive. So I made all these points positive. So I'll mark it red as I'm using red for positive. So these complete points and these complete points will be positive terminal. Then I may use negative like this. If required, of course. If required, you may connect in this fashion. So I have connected this in this way. Again, as I use black, so I'll go here. I'll say this is equal to black. So here I have just used battery and positive negative कहाँ कहाँ हमें लेने हैं, that I have used here. Then what I need one IC that is 741. So you can just either search or you may browse. So there are basic, then you have all, then you have Arduino, you have certain circuit assemblies here. Accordingly, you may use this. So I'll say alt and 741 IC. Shraddha Zawarkar. Shraddha Zawarkar is there. Hello. I wanted to talk to Shraddha Zawarkar. Are you there? Shraddha Zawarkar, I wanted to talk to you. Where are you? Are you listening to me? Shraddha. So here I'll search for 741 here. You can see 741 is available. So you may text operational amplifier 741. You may place it here. Okay. You may say give the name, say IC1. एक ही बार use कर रहे हैं, but we may use IC1, IC2 accordingly. I may zoom with help of mouse scrolling key. You can see this pin number is this pin number 8, which is not connected. This is power. 7 number is power plus. I'll zoom it again. Then you can see this is the output pin, pin number 6. This is fifth, which is offset 2, offset null 2, that we are not going to use. Pin number 4 is power minus. Pin number 3 is inverting input, that is non-inverting plus. Then this is input inverting minus, and pin number 1 is offset null 1, which we are not going to use. So now what we will do here, we'll connect power plus, which is connected here. These are the vertical shorted. So I'll connect power plus to the plus terminal, and here I'll use pin number 4, which is power minus. I'll connect it to the black. So So this one, I'll connect it to the negative. So here it is connected. So these are the power connectors. You may again use the same color code, red for plus and black for minus. Then coming to the circuit diagram, here you have pin number 2. This minus is pin number 2 here, and output is pin number 6. So in between there is one of the resistance, say maybe R2, R1, whatever, because all the resistances are equal with our case. So we'll use one resistance, we'll keep it somewhere. I'll rotate it. So I'll place somewhere here. So this is the feedback resistance, and it is to be connected between pin number 6. This is pin number 6, which is output. So this is pin number 6, and this is one terminal, one end of the resistance. I have placed this horizontally because if I place it vertically, then both the terminals will be shorted, because I hope you know breadboard in this region it is vertically shorted, horizontally open. So I kept it in this way. And another terminal is in pin number 2, that is the inverting terminal. So this is another terminal. I'll come back here, come to here. I have connected it here, or you may directly go here, pin number 2. So this is the feedback resistance that we have connected right away. So we have done with this R2. I'll erase the ink first. So we have done with this. I have connected in between pin number 2 and pin number 6. Now there is one another resistance connected to inverting and the source V2. Here we are connecting one of the source which will be subtracted from V1. So I'll connect that now. So coming back to the again Tinkercad. So here I'll use another resistance and I'll rotate it, and it must be in pin number 2. So I'll keep it here. So it is connected in this line and in this line. So I wanted to connect it into pin number 2. So I'll use just single click is sufficient to make connection. So I'll click here and pin number 2 is here. Everything is highlighted wherever you are connecting. That line will be highlighted. So it is vacant here. So I have connected it into pin number 2. And what I need voltage to connect it to the. So I'll write here voltage. Let's see. Go to all. So you can see, you can scroll it. Several things are there. Temperature sensor. So you can see here voltage is required. So there is a power supply block. Function generator block is also there. So we'll connect power supply block. So we do have power supply as well as function generator. So whenever you need certain waveforms to be generated, like sine, square, triangular, you may use function generator. But here what we are using simply the voltage 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever may be the voltage. So what I will do, I'll simply use power supply here. So I'll simply use power supply. So you can see power supply. This terminal is positive, this terminal is negative, and it is in off state right now. So we may turn it on. We may set the voltage. Later on, we will set the voltage and current in this block. So before that, what I will do, I'll connect positive to the input source, and you may give the name. What is this? This is your voltage source 2, and I will say voltage source 2 is equal to say 2 volt, whatever may be the current rating. Right now we are not say interested in that, later on will change. So here the positive is connected, you can see, and negative will be connected to the negative terminal. So this is the negative black line where the negative is connected. So this is how the voltmeter is connected. Whenever we will be simulating this circuit, then we will be able to turn on and off this power supply. Right now we have not yet simulated, we are just connecting the lines. So here I will use another two resistances are again we have to connect. So you can see one of the resistance is connected. I came back to the diagram, circuit diagram. So we have done with this feedback resistance between 2 and 6. We have done with input resistance R1 with source V2 and the pin number 2. Now we'll connect this resistance which is between pin number 3, that is positive, and the ground. Here ground is nothing but negative. So coming back to the circuit, so here we have another resistance. I'll rotate it. So I'll rotate, and I need pin number 3. I rotated it. Pin number 3 is next to pin number 2. So this will be V1. So I'll again rotate because it must be connected in negative and pin number 3. So I'll rotate it again. It's rotating. Okay. So I'll connect this into pin number 3. You can see this is, I'll zoom it. So this is pin number 3, which is plus terminal. I've connected here with one end of the resistance like this. I'll keep it here. So resistance one end is connected with pin number 3, and later on next is I will use voltmeter here, wherein positive will be connected. I'll zoom it. Positive will be connected to the resistance. You may connect in all 4 points anywhere in this. So you can see positive is connected to the resistance end. I'll say this is V1 because it is a source 1. Say it is 3 volt. पहला हमने V2 जो है 2 volt लिखा है, यहाँ पे 3 volt. You may assume anything. And negative terminal, just negative terminal will be with black line. You may again assign say color. Negative है, I'll say black. Here also for this power supply negative है, it will be black. Again source है, source को मैं color देता हूँ V1 is say V2 is say yellow, and source V1 is say something different, say blue. Say blue is V1 and V2 is yellow. Then one more resistance we have to connect, that is connected. ये लगा दिया हमने. One resistance in between ground and pin number 3. So coming back to the circuit, so here pin number 3 and one resistance. I'll bring it here somewhere. So this is pin number 3 and ground में हमें चाहिए. We'll try to fix it directly. So this is pin number 3. So I'll rotate it. If it is not allowing in this fashion, I'll rotate it. I'll directly connect it into pin number 3. This breadboard not allowed me, so I'll personally. So pin number 3 and somewhere here. So I have connected this resistance into pin number 3. You can see, and another terminal, this one. यहाँ पे गलत हो गया है. This will be shorted. So what I will do, I'll rotate this, or I'll take it somewhere away from pin number 3. So this resistance is there. So I'll connect it into pin number 3. So this is pin number 3, and another terminal, means this one, will be connected to the ground. So this is the complete circuit. Again, shortly we'll revise it. You can see here pin 1 of the resistance is connected into pin number 6 and pin number 2. Again, one resistance between pin number 2 here and source 1 V2. Another one resistance is connected in between pin number 3 where the source V1 is connected, and another resistance in pin number 3 and the ground. So complete network is now ready with this op-amp IC, wherein pin number 8 is not connected and pin number 1 and 5 is offset null, that we are not going to use. So circuit is completed. Let's check the result. Before that, whatever you are using, you can have the list of this. You can see if you click on this, you have all the resistances uses. You have resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, and resistance 4. All 4 resistances of 1 kilo ohm value. Then you have battery, which is V plus, which is of 9 volt. Then you have 741 IC1, which is used. Then we have power supply V2 of 2 volt 5 ampere. You have power supply V1 of 3 volt 5 ampere. So in this way you can have component list directly after simulation. So if you wanted to purchase this component, you can directly download this CSV file and directly have a list of the particular. Then I'll again come back to the circuit diagram. Again, what we need one multimeter because we have to see the output. So for that I will use this multimeter, and it will be in voltmeter range because output में हम voltage check करने वाले हैं, which is the result of V1 and V2, that is V1 minus V2. So we'll connect this positive terminal of the voltmeter into pin number 6. So this is pin number 6, which is output. So this is the output. We may have, say, certain different color. Anything. So this is the output. Another terminal negative will be grounded. So here it is ground. So voltmeter is connected. You can connect, you can change it. It is multimeter. Ampere chahiye to it will be ampere range. Then voltage and resistance measurement is also possible. We will be measuring the voltage. So after completing this circuit, we will use this button start simulation. You can see all the changes that we are making into this circuit will be auto saved. Here one of the good feature of this Tinkercad is whatever you are doing is step by step recorded, and again we do not want any do not have any save button to every time save the circuit. Whatever the change that you are making into the circuit will be automatically saved. If I delete particular component, it will be automatically deleted and recent circuit will be saved. You have one button undo and redo, so by which you can go to back step or front step. This is rotate button. If you want to delete, there is delete button. Either you can use directly delete button from your keyboard. And here you have one option, so to hide and show the attributes of the component. So here we'll not go in deep. Here we will directly simulate this. So you can see this is your V1. I'll show it here. Oh, sorry. It must be 2 volt only. So it is 3 volt. So this is your V1, this one. So which is 3 volt, and this is your V2, which is 2 volt. V1 minus V2, 3 minus 2, you will get it is output is, you can see it is 1 volt. Again, change this value to 4 volt. Expected output is 2 volt, 4 minus 2. Immediately it will reflect 5 minus 2, it is 3. 2 minus 2, it is 0, but some millivolt value will show on the multimeter, 72.3 millivolts. That is, of course, you know what is that. That is the offset. So you can use 10 volts. So 10 minus 2, it will be 8 volt. What I do, I'll change the voltage. I'll do it 1. So you can see now V1 is 1 and V2 is 2. So V1 is 1 and V2 is 2 means 1 minus 2. It should show minus 1 result, but you are not getting minus 1 on the voltmeter. So is our circuit wrong? Is our circuit wrong? It is not showing this result. You may change here. What I will do here, I will say V2 is 5 and V1 is 3. Then 3 minus 5, it must be minus 2 on the voltmeter, but it shows 181 millivolt. So I'll come back to you. I want answer of first question. Is the circuit wrong? Because it is not providing for every, say, probable combination of V1 and V2. It is not providing you the accurate result. If V1 is greater than V2, then the result is proper. But if V1 is less than V2, then the result is not on the voltmeter. So please let me know whether our circuit is wrong or right. Yes, any of you. I'm waiting for your reply. Till the time I'll not discuss anything.
So saturation voltage plus minus 15 volt.
सुमित प्लस माइनस 9 वोल्ट का ही सप्लाई दिया है. सुमित प्लीज डिस्कस. यू मे बी रॉन्ग और राइट. डोंट थिंक ऑफ दैट. यस.
सैचुरेशन वोल्टेज कनेक्ट नहीं किया. प्लस माइनस.
प्लस माइनस मीन्स मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा आप क्या बोल रहे हो. तो एलेबरेट दैट.
सर्किट में वी सेट रहता है सर सैचुरेशन वोल्टेज.
हाँ, प्लस वी सेट एंड माइनस वी सेट. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा सुमित?
सर वो कनेक्ट नहीं किया सर. प्लस माइनस 15 वोल्ट कनेक्ट करते अपन सर. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं
9 है ना अपने पास. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. आईसी वर्क्स ऑन 9 एज वेल. वी हैव 9. यू आर क्लोज टू द आंसर बट आई नीड अ सॉल्यूशन ऑन दिस. तुम्हारा आंसर अगर ऐसे ही देना है तो I'll show you. This is the plus terminal. This is plus. We are already connected. And this is minus. We have already connected. This minus is already connected here. This plus is already connected here. I want more close answer. Sumit, think over it and answer. Yes, Shraddha Zawarkar is there. Shraddha Zawarkar. कितने लोग लेक्चर सुन रहे हैं? रेज योर हैंड क्विकली. Yes, Shraddha.
Sir.
Shraddha Zawarkar. Are you there? देखो ये लेक्चर में जो लोग डिस्टरबेंस क्रिएट करते हैं मे बी अननोइंगली और से नोइंगली, कुछ मुझे नॉइज सुनाई देता है, म्यूट अनम्यूट जो भी है आपका स्टेटस, इनके लिए मैं हार्ड टीसी असाइन करूंगा जो कि सॉल्व करने के लिए हार्ड रहेंगे। और उसके बाद अगर आपको पता है फिर वैल्यूएशन कैसा होता है उसका, तो राइट। और एल्स अगर आप हो रहे तो मैं कब का श्रद्धा जावरकर को आवाज दे रहा हूँ, बट शी इज नॉट रिप्लाइंग सिंस द स्टार्ट ऑफ द लेक्चर, शी इज नॉट रिप्लाइंग। ऐसे लोगों के लिए हार्ड टीसी असाइन की जाएगी। जैसे आप एक तो डिस्टर्ब करते हो क्लास को बाय एनी मीन्स, और उसके बाद आप रिप्लाई भी नहीं देते हो। अगर आवाज देता हूँ, अगर आपसे गलती होती है कुछ भी, या फिर मैं इधर से कॉल कर रहा हूँ, तो आपका काम है उधर से आंसर करने का। So I have noted, say, every name that say that those who have say disturbed the lecture knowingly or unknowingly, और मैं डेफिनेटली उनके लिए टीसी ऐसा सेंड करूंगा, उनको वैसे ही करना है। टीसी को वैल्यूएट भी मैं ही करने वाला हूँ, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट अटेंटिव इन टू द लेक्चर, सो आपको टीसी हार्डर आनी चाहिए। अभी भी उसने रिप्लाई नहीं किया है श्रद्धा जावरकर। ऐसा ऐसा लेक्चर करने से अच्छा छोड़ दो ना, क्यों कर रहे हो, फालतू टाइम पास लगाएगा यहाँ पे। यस रश्मि वरुड़कर, is our circuit right, and if not then what is the solution? A1 मध्ये at the start of the lecture I have explained, A1 में A2 के बारे में बात ही नहीं कर सकता, it is online. So A1 में at the start of the lecture, first एक दो lecture में I have already told you that what are the different fashions to connect the power supply to the IC741 और ऑपरेशनल एम्पलीफायर। कितने अलग अलग पावर सप्लाई पे चलती है वो 741 आईसी, वो मैंने बता दिया है ऑलरेडी तब। हाँ रश्मि, कुछ बात कर रहे थे आप, रश्मि वरुड़कर। हाँ रश्मि, करेक्ट है क्या सर्किट, या कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन चाहिए? प्रैक्टिकल कर रहे हैं इसलिए हमें क्वेश्चन पूछना ही है, अभी आंसर करना ही। हाँ बोलो ना।
सर मला स्लाइडच
हाँ
नाही दिसले सर, माझी नेटवर्क नाही आहे
बरं ठीक
व्यवस्थित.
आहे, अनम्यूट अनम्यूट कर, सॉरी म्यूट कर, सॉरी म्यूट कर। यस राजन गुप्ता, राजन, I'll keep circuit in
Yes,
front of
sir.
you. Yes, is our circuit right? If yes, then why we are not getting V1 minus V2 means say 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2? If right, and if you say no, then what is the modification required here? Rajan, expected from you, answer expected from you.
Sir, wait 1 or 2 minutes, sir.
जोर से बात करो, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है।
Sir, wait a minute, sir, or two.
Okay, okay, you're thinking on this. We have only 20 minutes to finish class, okay? Till the time other people may interact, I asked two questions. If circuit is right, then why we are not getting 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2? And if circuit is wrong, then what modification is required? A small modification is required here. Yes, Vishwajit. Vishwajit,
Yes, sir.
do you have answer?
No, sir.
No? Listening to the lecture? Are you
Yes,
listening
sir.
to the lecture? Okay. Just think on it. Answer is very easy. Yes, Purva Ambadkar.
Yes, sir.
Do you have answer?
Sir, can you show the circuit?
Yes, sure. Circuit or means I'll show the diagram to you. Schematic. Okay, this is the schematic. We have plus V, minus V, and these are the resistances. We have connected R2 in the same fashion. R1, R3, R4 सभी वोल्टेज भी दिया है प्रॉपर, आउटपुट भी मिला है, बट वी गॉट आउटपुट इफ V1 is greater than V2, but we have not obtained output if V1 is less than V2. So this is the main circuit diagram or schematic, and the breadboard circuit is this. The circuit connections are not wrong. Don't think of connections कि कहीं पे connection गलती हुई है सर इसलिए हुआ होगा. There's something else. Yes, Rajan. Do you have solution? Rajan Gupta.
No, sir.
No. 2 मिनट कुछ तो सोचा होगा. क्या सोचा वही बता दो.
Um,
यस राजन 2 मिनट 1-2 मिनट पूछा मुझे वेट करने के लिए. क्या सोचा तब तक?
sir.
Okay. Out of 108 attendees, only 79 attendees are near to mobile. I don't know they are listening to lecture or not, but 79 students are near to mobile as they raised hand as I asked. Remaining are say I don't know where they are. Okay, so very simple solution is there. Like you can see here, the plus supply is with respect to ground and minus supply into the schematic is with respect to ground. So whatever the supply that we have in this circuit is 9-volt single battery, and single battery cannot, even though there are two terminals positive and negative, but it is not treated as a dual power supply. It is definitely a single power supply. So what we need two batteries. We need two batteries to provide single power supply, sorry, dual power supply. So you may have two batteries. So I'll search one more battery. I'll say battery. I'll take it 9-volt somewhere here. I'll rotate it. So as I mentioned, plus supply to the first battery. So I'll say this is name is V minus. I want two batteries here. So negative कहाँ negative दिया है देख लो एक बार. So negative is given to pin number 4. So this one is a negative. So what I'll do, I'll remove this black wire directly. I'll remove this black wire. Okay. So right now the positive supply is connected and that is properly connected into the pin number 7. Now pin number 4 is to be connected to the negative terminal of second battery. So you can see positive terminal is already connected to the IC, and here negative terminal of this is negative. I'll connect it somewhere here. So this is negative. Okay, we have to make several changes here. Negative, I'll use black color, and you can see this negative through this wire is connected minus terminal, that is pin number 4, minus power to the IC. Now you have positive and negative connected. What about this remaining? So you may bring this negative terminal of this IC, you may bring this somewhere on the breadboard जहाँ पे आपको vacant मिल रहा है. Suppose I say this is vacant point, this one, and इसका positive वहीं पे लाना है हमें. Here, so you can see positive of the one battery and negative of another battery is connected together, and that is treated as a ground. So therefore जहाँ जहाँ ground है, like pin number 4 is negative, but source के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए, ground चाहिए, not negative. अभी source जो है V1 and V2, ये मैं line highlight कर रहा हूँ, it is connected in negative, not in negative, we need in ground. So what I will do, negative terminal is grounded here. Again negative terminal of this will be grounded here. And one more thing, schematic में दिखाता हूँ मैं, ये resistance R4 is grounded, not negative. So R4 का दूसरा जो टर्मिनल पिन नंबर 3 में जा रहा है R4 और दूसरा जा रहा है ग्राउंड में, so उसे भी वहां पे हमें ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा. So where is this? पिन नंबर 3 देखते हैं. दिस इज पिन नंबर 3 जिसमें एक ये रेजिस्टेंस है जिसको सोर्स लगाया हुआ है, और दूसरा ये वाला रेजिस्टेंस है, ये वाला, जिसमें हमने अनदर टर्मिनल ग्राउंड, पहले ग्राउंड ही था बट अभी निगेटिव बन गया है, तो मैं इसे रिमूव कर देता हूँ और इसे लगाता हूँ हमारे ग्राउंड टर्मिनल में, जो कि कॉमन ऑफ पॉजिटिव ऑफ वन आईसी एंड नेगेटिव ऑफ अनदर आईसी. नाउ ये हो गया आपका complete circuit. Now simulate this. So you can see here V1 is 3, V2 is 5, 3 minus 5 we got minus 2. So I hope everybody, those are listening to the lecture, they came to know that using single power supply we cannot obtain negative values of the output, because whenever we have positive difference will be amplified by the gain and will be appear on the output voltmeter. But as there is a negative input or differential input, V1 minus V2 is the negative, then multiply by the gain will be having some negative value mathematically, but here practically on the simulation circuit, as we do not have negative power supply, negative values will not be appeared. It will show you of course ideally बात करते हैं it is 0. यहाँ पे हमें कुछ 180 माइक्रो मिली वोल्ट मिला रहा था, that is due to the offset. Ideally it is 0 until and unless we connect. Now you can have any combination. Say this is V1 is say 7 volt and V2 is 5 volt. You got 7 minus 5 it is 2. V1 is 10 volt minus 5 volt, output is 5. V1 is 1 volt minus 5 volt, output is minus 4. You can see on your screen. V1 is 2 volt minus 5 volt, it is 3. V1 is 5 minus 5, it is 0. V1 is 5, V2 is 5, it is 0. Let's say V1 is 5.5, output is 5.5 minus 5, it will be of course 500 millivolt, 0.5 volt आना चाहिए, but 100 millivolt का offset सीधे सीधे दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. जब lower voltage पे हम work करते हैं, then the offset will be very clear. I'll say you can see the voltage now. V1 is 5.1 volt, that means 5.1 volt means 5 volt and uske above 100 millivolt, and V2 is 5 volt only, so 5.1 minus 5, it will be 0.1 volt, is nothing but 100 millivolt, but you are getting result is equal to 0 because हमने offset nulling वगैरह यहाँ पे कुछ use नहीं किया है. So therefore what is happening here, that offset के वजह से positive offset है वो भी subtract हो रहा है और output 0 आ रहा है. But if you go for more value 5.7 volt, 5.7 minus this, so सभी ये offset के कारण हो रहा है, so that will not think. So here 6 minus 5, lower voltage पे offset का effect ज़्यादा होता है. So this is again the simulation circuit. Tinkercad is very easy, that's why we are, and it can be used on mobile as well. Certain mobile, it takes time to say operate on mobile. It becomes somewhat complicated to make this circuit on mobile, because mobile is very say small screen, do not have mouse, so we have to do this with our finger, so it will be somewhat complicated. I'll not say that it is very easy on mobile, but this is free software, online software that is available and can be used on mobile phone as well as PC as well as on tablet. But as we go for multi-sim, then multi-sim we do not have on mobile. क्रॅक वर्जन वगैरह काही मिळत असेल मला माहिती नाही, बट पीसी पे हो सकता है. नाउ all of you do not have computer with you, you have only mobile. So what we'll do here, I'll conduct practical from my end as I did today, and you can say now one of the practical out of 10 is completed here. Whatever is the say writing material वगैरह उसके बारे में हम बाद में सोचेंगे, बट एक प्रैक्टिकल आपका यहाँ खत्म हुआ है यूजिंग IC741, which is nothing but the subtractor. ऐसे हम semi amplifier, 3 op amp instrumentation amplifier, then oscillator, RC oscillators, Venn bridge oscillator, 555, ये सभी के लिए हम जो जो अवेलेबल कंपोनेंट है उसके हिसाब से हम प्रैक्टिकल ले सकते हैं. सपोज पर्टिकुलर आईसी इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन दिस टिंकरकैड, से 723 अगर नहीं है, so we cannot perform practical on 723 on Tinkercad. We may use some another platform, or we may say omit that practical. In place of that, we'll put the practical which are based on op-amp IC. So this is one of your practical. Any question from your end? Any question from your end?
Sir, will you please tell that how to join this link?
Actually, what I did here, I have generated a code. Actually, I'll do it here. Suppose I go to the classes, you are able to see my screen. If I go to the classes and if I say create new class, ऐसे मैंने तैयार किया था, so I can enter class name, say 3U1, 3U2, whatever I have assigned 3U. Then ये grade वगैरह इसके बारे में कोई नहीं, लेकिन college use किया था because college level. देन सब्जेक्ट के लिए इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स किया था एंड क्रिएट क्लास बोला था. लेटर ऑन वंस द क्लास इज created, then we have class code like this. Okay, so you have two options here: copy the code, and if you have link, then directly click on link, enter your nickname, and your teacher will assign you. I will admit you from my end. Then if you have only code, so you have to go to tinkercad.com/join class. Later on enter the code whatever you received. मैंने दोनों ways भेज दिए. Enter your nickname and teacher assigned to you will assign you, means I'll definitely add you into that class. But I received some queries from few of you that you are not able to join to the class. I think you need to sign up for that with any email ID and password. You have to create an account and then after join, or else those who are say already joined to this class, ask them what they have say done. Like Deepika Verma, these all are, you can see these are all student and they are already into the classroom. काउंट कहाँ आता है पता नहीं मुझे, मैं भी पहली बार. Another way I have like this name and nickname. कितने लोगों को प्रॉब्लम है इसे ज्वाइन करने में? ये लोग आ गए हैं सभी. हेलो. How many of you have problem in joining Tinkercad class 3U? Hello. Okay, you just send your name and email ID to my personal number, not on group, on my personal number. Send your name, email ID. I'll try from my end. And right now, actually, whatever is the practical, that is already, say, we have used this Teams platform, so this is also recorded. Again, those who are joined to the class, they can see this activity on your in your class. Okay, so
Hello.
आप लोग एक बार, yes, yes, who is this? जो लोगों को प्रॉब्लम है, नाम और ईमेल आईडी मुझे भेज दीजिए पर्सनल नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप. ओके, आई विल ट्राई इट. अभी तो आपको कुछ करना ही नहीं उसमें. इसके लिए है कि जो भी एक्टिविटीज मैंने इधर किया है प्रैक्टिकल का, सेम एज इट इज आपको क्लास में रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगी, इसलिए हमने इसे क्लास में ज्वाइन करने को बोला है. अदरवाइज आपको क्लास में कुछ असाइनमेंट वगैरह यहाँ पे कुछ मिलेगी नहीं. डोंट यू वरी. Okay, I think this is over for today's lecture. So if you have any query, I'll wait for 1 minute, else I'll end this. Okay then, thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you, sir.